Now the starting price for your 2025 X6M is gonna run you about $133,000 before you even add any bells and whistles. With every bell and whistle like the one we got, the competition, it's gonna be about $150,000. This SUV can go from 4-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive sport, giving it a rear wheel drive bias, turning the traction control completely off, meaning you can swing the back end of this joint however you want, whenever you want, all day long. At my height of 6'10", I got abundant headroom and legroom to match. Not only do we got a top speed of 177 miles an hour, but we got 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. Now under the hood, we got a 4.4 liter twin turbocharged V8 producing 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you 13 miles per gallon in the city and 18 on the highway. You would think for an SUV, this joint don't handle, but let me tell y'all something, this joint gets down in a straight line and going around and handling. Now, not only do we got carbon fiber paddle shifters, we even got carbon fiber on the front door panels, the entire center dash, center console, and even on the back doors. Now, this SUV has a staggered rim setup, which means we got 22-inch rims in the rear and 21-inch rims in the front. The only thing that can make this tire and rim combo look better is your Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire. So click the link below in the description and get yours now. Not only do we got leather-wrapped armrests, all you gotta do is press a button to open it individually or collectively. Whether you want to keep your beverage cold or hot, it's your preference in this whip because you got heated and cooled cup holders behind your carbon fiber retractable door with a wireless phone charger, USB charger, and a 12-volt charger to match. These seats are not only legendary in design, but in comfort as well. And you even got an illuminating X6M stamped on the neck of that thing. And these seats are also heated and cooled while also being massaging seats with 8 different types of massages and 3 different levels of intensity. The only thing that can make these seats look better is your Barrett's Automotive Pristine Leather Conditioner. Click that link below in the description and get yours now. Not only do we got a black diffuser, but we even got a black quad exhaust to match, and that joint sound mean. We got this massive X6M stamped right in the front of the grill, and we got one on the side of this whip and back of this whip. But get this, we even got all these legendary air intakes, giving this SUV a real aggressive look. We got a decent amount of door panel storage in both the front and back doors. On the driver's side, you got a storage space literally integrated within the dash. We got the BMW colors on the front seat belts along with on the back. They ain't shorted there. Not only do we got memory seats in this whip, we even got memory driver profile settings on your steering wheel that you can program however you want for driver 1 and 2. And you got a leather wrapped steering wheel that's even heated as well. You can press a button to both open and close your rear trunk without ever leaving the whip. This SUV even has a decent amount of storage space in the trunk if you ask me, and you got an X6 cargo divider, a 12-volt charger, and if you lift up the floorboard, you even got a spare tire with a jack. We got ambient lighting that looks top tier in the day or night with a bunch of colors to choose from, and it's even integrated in your dash, center console, both front doors and the back doors. But get this, it's even integrated in your speakers along with in your sunroof as well. This SUV not only has the practicality, it has the performance, but it also has the looks as well. Damn, it got the 3 big P's: pretty, practical, and performance. We got a crispy heads-up display that can be reconfigured from reduced view, assistive view, directional view, and standard view. And get this, you even got your live miles an hour along with the suggested speed limit, and that's a massive heads-up display. I gotta add that. So clearly with the driver's seat set for me at 6'10", my leg room is non-existent, but my headroom ain't that bad. I just can't lean on the headrest or nothing like that. Now, if you are a backseat passenger in the back of this SUV, you do got your own reading lights, USB-C chargers located behind the front seats, shade shutters, kangaroo pouches for storage, 12-volt charger, small storage space, and your very own climate controls and climate vents. And not only are these back seats heated, but you got a leather-wrapped armrest with 2 retractable cup holders and storage space located inside that. But get this, that's not all. You can even access the trunk from the back seat, man. We got a digital gauge cluster that has a futuristic, nice modern design, but it also can be reconfigured from media, radio, live G meter, sport displays, tires, engine, setup, maps, route preview, augmented view, assistive view, trip data, and reduced. Now the infotainment screen not only looks good, but it offers a decent amount of stuff as well, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa, climate controls, drive recorder, interior lighting, weather, vehicle status, live vehicle, which will display your vehicle in 360-degree of angles and showcase your adaptive content, trip data, and X-View in real time. This SUV gets down, but when it comes to everyday drivability, it got that too, because you ain't gotta be in 4-wheel drive sport all the time spinning the back end of this joint. You can also just drive around, get some good groceries, be comfortable while doing so, look good while doing so, and have practicality as well.